No puppies yet, and it's 1:30 now. I think she's trying to hold on to them. Nah, she's just really slow lever. There you go. No pushing yet. Don't think she's dilated enough yet. I'll give you guys an update later when they actually arrive. Hey, Rocks. Bye.